Today I will read about the book 100 Things to Know About Besides. Now let's read about part 46 about honeybees. It can help feed the planets. First, you know about the honeybees. It is other kinds of the bees, and it makes honeys, and we can eat them. Eat the honeys. It's a bit yummy, and I love the honeys. And you know that honeybees can make that feed the planet for some plant grows up. If they won't have the bees, the plants can't grow up to be a forest like that, everyone. And you know, honeybees is a very popular things in the world. It has many, and it lives in some of the cave. Now let's see. It can live in the global honeybees. And the global honeybees bees like that, it look like a house for the bees, and the bees make the honeys and put the honeys in that global honey house like that. And when we pick up the honey, we can pick all the house of the bees. Now let's discover about the honeybees, how it can help feed the plants. You know, the bees, it can transfer the pollen from flower to flower as they gather nectar. And this is called the pollinations. And next, these annual plants to reproduce by making seeds or fruit. And next, one bee colonies can up to 40,000 to 60,000 bees can pollinate up to 300 million flowers per day, and the global honeybees populations have fallen rapidly in recent years. Nobody knows exactly why. Next, the work done by bees every year is worth hundreds of billions of dollars, and as much as 25% of all the food we eat depends on the pollinations by honeybees. You see here, you have all the food that formed by the honeybees, and it is 25% of all this food. And honeybees pollinate more than 100 different food crops and 50 kinds of nuts and seeds. And there are 50 kinds of fruits with 40 kinds of vegetables. And the honeybees also pollinate coffee and cotton plants. And the deepest ocean is we go to the next part about part 47. The deepest ocean is deeper than the highest mountain in its high. First, now let's discover about the deepest ocean, these Marianas. Now let's see about that. First, when we can see sunlight about 0 meters to 200 meters is about 150 feet. There are the sunlight zone, and that is we can't see the light. Next, you can see in here it is on the surface, and that the height the common man, the common people can swim. And this is the sailboat. This is the emperor penguins. Its deepest diving berth is 565 meters, about 1,850 feet. Now let's see about triangling zone. It is about 200 to 1,000 meters. And these meters can only for the U.S. Navy divers. If deepest diving humans is about 610 meters, about 2,000 feet. Next is the next part is we have the midnight zone. This zone we can't see about any sunlight here. It's about 1,000 meters to 4,000 meters. It's so deep now, and they have a colorful beaked whales. Its deepest diving mammals it can dive in 2,900 meters, about 9,500 feet. Next zone is the abyssal zone. This zone only for the submarine to go, because this water now is very strong now. When one people go on this zone, you can be boom in many pieces. And this abyssal zone is about 4,000 to 6,000 meters, about 15,000 to 19,700 feet. Next zone is the header zones, and this is the last zones to the challenge deep. Is the deepest place on Earth, the Marianas. Now let's see the header zones below 6,000 meters, about 19,700 feet below that feet. And they only have the jumbo octopus. Deepest living octopus is 7,000 meters, about 23,000 feet. And the snailfish, deepest known fish, is 7,700 meters, about 25,000 feet. And the pleasure at the deepest point is 1,000 kilograms per centimeters square centimeters, about very big pleasures on this deepest point. And Mount Everest is the highest mountain. Is about 8,848 meters, and it is about 29,029 feet, and above the sea levels. If it were turned upside down, it would reach the very bottom of the oceans. And the Challenger Deep, Pacific Ocean, deepest place on Earth is 10,994 meters, about 36,069 feet. It is so deep, and the pressure of the water is so big, so we can be boom and died so easy. And now my video is ended here. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching.